Hello everyone! In this episode, we'll install Xray so we can easily search for cool minerals in Minecraft. So, let's get started. Also, there's a link to a written guide in the description if you prefer that. Of course, you'll end up here. Here you also have a button to change languages if you need to switch to your own, but you don't have to, because you have this video guide and I'll translate everything for you step by step. So let's scroll down. We have the download links section, and here are two packs that I recommend. These are Xray packs, and today we're installing a texture pack, which means you don't need to install any loaders, installers, and so on. It will just be a regular texture pack, so it's super simple, and one of these texture packs is Xray Ultimate. And why is it so cool? Because you can clearly see the outlines of the blocks, so when you're mining for diamonds or other minerals, you're not just digging blindly. You can more or less see the outlines of the blocks, just like you can see here. We'll see this better in the game, and it's just pretty useful. Plus, of course, we can see all the ores as we should. And lava too, of course, so you don't fall into it. The second Xray texture pack is Better Xray, and it's similar here. However, we're going to install Xray Ultimate. It's up to you which one you prefer, but I'll stick with Xray Ultimate. And of course, I go to the Files tab and look for the latest version available so that it's compatible with my version of Minecraft. So here we have a tab with Minecraft versions. There's one here, 21.4. Today I'm installing it on 1.2.1.8, so that's correct, it should cover that version. Here's the plus sign. If we click on it, down here we have the details about which version is supported. If you're installing it on an older version of Minecraft, just go back and find a slightly older profile from the list here. If, for example, you want version 1.19, then select it here, and it's better to install that version, although the newest one should also work on older versions. But as I said, if someone just wants to install the latest version of Minecraft and the newest one doesn't work, then simply scroll down and look for your version. Simple. But today we're dealing with the latest version of Minecraft, so I just click here on the three dots and select download file. We download it from the CurseForge website. Of course, you don't have to download the texture pack that I'm downloading. There are plenty of others online. If you trust a certain website or have an idea for installing a different texture pack, you can do that. But I know this one is reliable, so that's the one I use, and CurseForge is also a trusted site, so I just use it. I choose the desktop to have easy access to the file and click save. If your download doesn't start, you can go here and click try again, and then the download will start again, in case something freezes for you. Now I can go to my desktop. Alright, I'm on the desktop and I do have my package here. It's packed as a .zip file. We don't need to do anything with it. Now let's move on to our Minecraft client. You don't have to use the official launcher, you can use whichever one you want, whatever you normally use. The point is just to launch a clean version of Minecraft. It can be modded Minecraft, it can be regular Minecraft, whatever you want or need, just launch it. In my case, it's a clean Minecraft 1.2.1.8, and I'm waiting for it to start. A huge thank you to the supporters whose names you can see on the screen right now. Thanks to you, this channel can keep growing, so really big thanks, and let's keep going. Alright, Minecraft has launched cleanly. Now we go into options, resource packs, and here we can already see various resource packs. If you've installed any, you'll have a list here, just like I do. I mean, your packs might have different names, and if you haven't installed any, it'll be pretty empty here, but that doesn't matter because the most important thing is that you click this button to open the packs folder, and the folder will open. And actually, I had already installed some packs before, so I already have 2 packs here. You might have it empty here because if you haven't installed anything, then it'll just be empty, 0 files. But that's not important either. The most important thing is that you drag the downloaded pack from your desktop here, so Xray Ultimate ends up in this folder. It doesn't matter whether it's with other files or by itself, it just needs to be here. Don't unzip it, it should stay as a .zip file. It's enough for it to be in this pack in this folder. We go back to Minecraft and we can see that it has already appeared on our list, and now we can enter the game, for example, on a test world. Once again, already in the world, I click escape, options, resource packs, and this time I enable it. I click OK, I confirm. Now the pack is loading. We wait a moment and we can see that it has started working. And now we can actually see it, just like I said, the block outlines. We know where to go, we can even freely run around the world. There's no problem with that, even here between the leaves, so this is a super convenient pack. And of course, at the same time, we can see all the other packs here, I mean ores, as you can also see lava or water, and we can calmly go for the best stuff. And if we turn on night vision or of course drink such a potion, we can see a bit better because those shadows don't form. Of course, here it also all depends on my render settings. We can increase it if we want, but anyway, you get the idea, the Xray works perfectly. That's what we wanted, and now we can do whatever we want in the world and gather our resources faster. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks!